Now, how do you enable the Apple Pencil on the iPad? Well, let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So there isn't really much to it. All you have to do is just a snap and magnetically connect the pencil to the side of the iPad, right? So you would do it like this. Make sure that it snaps like this, and it should be recognized by the actual iPad. As you can see right now, it still means that nothing really happened, right? So, now, even though the Apple Pencil got connected and everything, it didn't get recognized, and it doesn't really work. And the problem is not in the way it got connected. The problem is that in this case, the Apple Pencil is simply not compatible with this iPad. This is the iPad mini, and this is the Pencil, which simply doesn't work with it. So in plenty of cases, I believe that this is the problem as well, that you're trying to pair and connect the Pencil, which is simply not going to work with this iPad. So if I move it away and take in here another iPad, which is actually going to support it, this is the iPad Pro. And if I connect the Apple Pencil to the side, you can see it gets recognized at the top. And once it charges up a little bit, I can grab it like this and actually use it to move around the iPad and to use it for whatever I want to do with it. So as I say, this is the only way you can connect it. You just snap it on the side, but it has to be a supported iPad. So you can figure it out if you go to the Safari, and you can literally just look up the Apple Pencil iPad support, right? And you're gonna get to the official page made by Apple, the Apple Pencil compatibility, right, with the iPad models. And you can see that there are different Apple Pencils. The first generation, where you would actually connect it through the Lightning port, works with these following iPads. And then we have the Apple Pencil second generation, which is this one right here. It works with the iPad Pro, this one which I have. And there is also the Apple Pencil USB-C, which works with yet another set of iPads. There is the Apple Pencil Pro, which works with, for example, this iPad mini, right? So if I would want to use Apple Pencil with this one, I have to go with the Apple Pencil Pro. So yeah, that's my thing. That's the point I wanted to make in this video. So it's pretty easy to set it up, but you want to make sure it does actually work and that it is supported. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you in the future uploads.